Leo, this is your channel messages for the 5th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Leo, your channel message is the Hanged Man. So you might be seeing something from a totally different perspective, Leo. Okay, right? I know all the planets revolve around you, but have you ever thought, do you revolve around them? Chances are you don't. Anyways, this is your channel song, Leo. Friends for real, we love all man, but some of them not loyal. Them not loyal. Then tell you know, some of them money, all you see them waste man. Remember I me build you up when you see you did I broke down. Now you hype and I walk with the other girl uptown. But just wait till me up, you gonna see who I look down. Ross, me go and cuss till you when me foreign a touchdown. Me nah say you nothing move on, but no move on for 32 grand. 32 grand. I mean, me off to tell you, say, but yeah, I can't stick to one something too long. Something too long. Boy, why you too blood clot jealous and you go on like say you can't wrong. Say you can't wrong. Then since you are miss right. Since you are Mr. Right. Whole a Chinese Jordan. What? Well, since you are Mr. Right, call a Chinese Jordan. Me build you up when me see you did a broke down. I know you hype and I work with the other bitch uptown. But just wait till my boss, you go see who I look down. You go and cuss till you fuck when me there Canada touchdown. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So I'm getting Besele, Leo. Somebody did not remember saying you did bring them up when they were going down. And apparently they met another bitch from a nicer place. She might have her ducks in the row, right? So apparently, Leo, you start team up with a girl where you know me no blood clot like, or I'm getting a Leo teamed up with someone they know you don't like. All for about 3,200 Canadian. Or Jamaican, we don't know what the exchange rate is at the moment, right? But you sell them out for 35,000. You sell them out for 3,500. Okay. 35,000 is nothing compared to the dream you could be living had you been loyal to somebody. 35,000 will be pocket change. But me getting, yep, I build it up when I saw you were broke, you were mashed up. Me build you up when me see you did a broke down. I know you're hype and yeah, walk with the other bitch uptown. Now you start working with her. Whoa, you guys are friends now. Wow, I didn't know that. But just wait till me up, we're gonna see who I look down. You're going to cuss till you fuck. When me there Canada, I touch down. I'm vexed with you because me did only want to the best for you. And even though I catch my love, me did check for you. And me did know say that me did make for you. But me no want to in no contest for you. And me no want to be the man to bring stress to you. But baby love you, what? Me have to confess to you, me still love you, but me not respect for you. Because remember, I was the one who was giving you massages when you were coming home from fucking work. But you're hype and you sold me out for other bitch uptown. That's okay. Wait till you simmer up. You're gonna see who I look down. Let's just go, Leo. The hangman. So maybe you sell out somebody for another girl. You left your girl for somebody else thought it was going to be great. Me getting your bitches now on TV. Oh, sorry, your former bitch, your ex-bitch. The bitch that you told everybody was a bitch, the bitch is on TV now. So wait till me up, you're gonna see who I look down. Or me getting Leo, you used to date this girl, you used to date this guy, you never believed in them. You never believed in them and you left them. You actually said that they were a fame whore and you left them, they with another girl, gave the girl everything you didn't want. Give the other girl, And I'm getting, guess what? Good shit. Thank you for ejecting yourself from someone's life. I'm getting that's the push they needed. To show you that, nigga, it's not that I was being silly. It's just that I couldn't achieve my dreams with this dead weight on my shoulder. Let's go. Leo, let's see who's your soulmate. The Four of Cups. I'm getting the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, but I'm getting they are a drinkaholic. So, don't know if that's something you like. Where will you meet them? You're going to meet them at work. You and them will be working. I'm getting your work outside. You work with plants. It could be cleaning up, or it could be like renovation of the home or outside construction. I'm getting your drink though. All right. What do you have in common? The Two of Pentacles. I'm getting both of y'all that does the same job in the same field, trying to make the money. I'm getting the common denominator is you guys working and like to, I guess, go to the bar after work, maybe. What issues should you overcome? The Nine of Wands. I'm getting when you're drunk, when you argue with each other. Or you believe when you're drunk, I don't know if you not go to the bar together spending money, but me getting when you're drunk, you don't remember how much money you spend, you think of your friend tea from you. Me getting every time one of you put liquor on the system, when accuse the other of stealing something, and then it reappear. And then you have to apologize and say, sorry, I didn't know, I didn't look this place, I misplaced it. Could be MK Ultra fucking you up. What relationship did you share in a past life? I'm getting you guys still worked outside. This past life you work outside, last past life you were a gardener. You used to plant flowers. I used to be a farmer. How can this deepen your relationship? The Emperor. I don't know if you're starting to take something way serious now. So I'm getting you both of them to work together, get the same salary, on the wait the same day if you get paid. After you get paid, you would go to the bar or get a few drinks somewhere. I think the problem is, again, on either spending too much money on the misplacing money, or I'm getting both of them going to business together. When they might leave on the jobs because they already know how to do what the Emperor teach you to do. Or now go into business as a partnership and do it to yourself. Because I'm getting the Emperor. The Emperor make 10 blood clot dollar hour and him pay you $1. We have Guru. The rich has to stay rich by scamming the poor. Remember. So when I see people steal from the rich to give the poor, I don't say nothing. I'm blind. But no one act blind because I'm for fuck one man will fuck 6 million blood clot bitch in Toronto. Okay, if you are a hacker, if you are a Samaritan, if you are Spider-Man and you want to rob the blood clot rich and get the poor, I'm blind. They want me to go blind for a blood clot man who could not even say right? You want to rob the blood clot rich and get the poor, I'm blind. I'm blind. I told you I wanted a soup. What the fuck is this? Is it a soup? I said I wanted a soup. Excuse me, man. Man, it is a soup. No, the fuck it is. It's a SWAT. This is a SWAT. That's what I said I wanted a swoop. A swoop is like this. This is a swoop. This is a SWAT. What the fuck? Anyways, this is what I'm getting. So we have Guru. We have Cancer. You might be dealing with a Cancer. I'm getting on the boss of Cancer now. So they might have more work. The Fool card. Use protection. Prostate cancer. Anal sex. You know, it was so-called said, correct me if I'm wrong, Dr. Isaac Boyd, correct me if I'm wrong, does very aggressive anal sex lead to swollen prostate glands? Because if so, somebody needs to tell me how the fuck PD's health is still in fucking check. I don't fucking know how that's possible. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Leo. Bye.